Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to scroll my LinkedIn profile for 5 minutes and let's see how many jobs we can able to pull. Let's jump into the video. Friends, before we start this video, I would like you to visit my profile, which is Prakash K. So you can take a look at this profile, and here is the link I would be sharing in the description as well. Now I'm going to share my feed and the jobs. So basically this person is looking for job. If there is any non-tech role available, just please help this person. So also I would be sharing the jobs as well. And Smriti is looking for quality assurance and analyst roles. So if there is any QA roles available in your circle, just shoot out a message to her. She might be available. And there is a job maintenance engineer role available. Maybe this would be helpful for this person. So if someone is interested for maintenance engineer role, you can directly call this number and or else reach this person. We might get an opportunity. And then EY is hiring for service no practice. If you are interested, share your resume with this person. I would be sharing this job on my posts as well. And next, keeping that aside, JP Morgan is looking for OTC derivative associate roles. If you are interested, share your resume with remo.shetty@jpmchase.com. And UST is hiring for data governance role with 3 to 6 years of experience. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this email address. Disney Hotstar is hiring for solutions engineer role. Sony Research India is hiring for data science intern. And Google is hiring for search ad specialist. Vedanto is hiring for business unit CEO. And there are a lot of roles. And next, this company Valtech is hiring for project manager role in Bangalore. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this email address gayatri.g@valtech.com. So this is how a platform where job seekers and job recruiters might post a job. That is the reason I recommend HRs and people to follow my profile. So you'll get the people and you'll get the jobs, lot of things. So CRRA is hiring for freshers for a CEO executive role. Education is 12th. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this person. So I'm going to share this, but I recommend you to verify before you apply. This person is being laid off from Udan and is looking for job. So we have posted lots of jobs in our previous videos, so I recommend him to take a look and watch our channel. And NYKAA is hiring for interns for digital marketing roles. If you are interested, share your resume with kiran.khalid@nykaa.com. I'm just sharing this, and let's see the next job. This friend is looking for a job in Angular, and Gopi Makwana is hiring for Angular jobs. So if someone is looking for Angular jobs, just share your resume with this person. And NEXWAVE is hiring for SailPoint developer in in multiple locations. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this person, bharat@nextwave.in. So that's my 5 minutes, friends. In my upcoming video, I will be sharing more relevant information. Until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.